Hi everyone, tax season has arrived and SARS has started sending out auto assessment notifications. Here's everything you need to know. Careers Portal is your one-stop shop when it comes to finding learnerships, internships and bursaries, as well as any information you may need about studying and your future career. Tax season is just around the corner and will open on the 15th of July this year. For most taxpayers, this time of the year is usually associated with a considerable amount of stress. But there can be good news if you are auto-assessed by SARS. So first, what is the SARS auto-assessment?
Auto-assessments are applicable for non-provisional taxpayers who are typically formally employed individuals. An auto-assessment means that you don't have to do anything and SARS calculates your tax assessment. If the auto-assessment results in a refund for a taxpayer, the amount will be paid within 72 business hours. However, if there are outstanding amounts due to SARS, they must be paid by a due date specified on the assessment. SARS will notify the taxpayer through SMS and email regarding the auto-assessment. If a taxpayer is satisfied with the auto-assessment, they do not have to do anything further and the process then terminates at this point. What this means is that the taxpayer will not have to file a tax return if they are satisfied with the outcomes. If the taxpayer does, however, find that they are missing or inaccurate information, whether it's about income or expenses, which may have affected the outcome, it must be declared to SARS within 40 business days of the auto-assessment. Notification by submitting a tax return to SARS. Provisional taxpayers will have to file a tax return. SARS encourages all taxpayers to use electronic channels such as the SARS e-filing platform and the SARS mobile app to handle their tax filing. Taxpayers can also make an appointment with SARS through the official SARS website or request a booking via SMS and contact the SARS contact center on 0800 00 7277 by selecting 0.
Before anyone is legally employed by a company, it is important that they make sure that they have a tax number. By registering for a tax number with SARS, it will make it easier for you to submit all of the important documents when you get a job. In some instances, employers do register their employees, especially if they are fresh on the job market. When you get a job, you will start paying tax, which means that your company will need your tax number. Your tax number is usually found on your payslip or IRP5 form. Should you not have your tax number on one of these documents, or if you're self-employed, then you can phone SARS on 0800 to check for your tax number, or you can check online. Here's how. First, go to the SARS website. On the top menu bar, click on Contact Us. Then, click on the Request Your Tax Number button. Complete the form and choose What's My Tax Number as the query type. SARS will send you your tax number if they were able to verify your credentials. It is the main responsibility of the South African Revenue Service to make sure that every taxpayer complies. If you're already registered, then good. If you aren't, watch our video on how to get a tax number for some help.
Comment down below any questions you have and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.